All right, so quick update here on something with the roosters in the background here at my brother's place. I found an issue with our hitch again. This is our Blue Ox hitch. As I was preparing this morning, I found a bolt missing, and this is the second time I have found this same bolt right here. The last time that bolt had backed out, and it looks, and I did it again. I started putting it back in and got the GoPro out to start recording because I wanted this to be seen, and it almost looks like the center one is backed out as well. I think I may pull the center post out and take a look. This is a replacement hitch because they didn't know what was happening the last time. It was making some weird sounds. I contacted Blue Ox. I mean, they were great. They sent me a replacement. You know, they said replace the whole thing. They didn't know what it was. It was making really, you know, weird sounds. When I was disassembling it, I found the bolts there, or the screws, whatever they're called, backing out. I contacted them, said, I think I found the problem, but the new one was already en route. Anyway, I'm going to tighten this back up. Let me see if I have any Loctite. And my toolkit here, and I don't see any. I'll contact Blue Ox. Give them one more chance to figure out what the heck's going on. So I do want them to get it fixed. Oh my gosh. I'm 6'2", but daggone, just still a high bed. Actually, I think I'll take this out. Yep, same things happen. That one's loose, and that one was all the way out. So, Blue Ox, need to figure this one out. I have to find out what the torque specs are. Again, find out. Man, that's just amazing. I mean, that's a major safety issue, if you ask me.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you. But everything is not enough.
Last side, this side came loose on the original hitch. This is a total replacement hitch, less the rails. And that one was all the way out, which was happening the last time. That one had started backing out, and that one was loose. Blue Ox, if you can't get this one resolved, sorry, I'm gonna have to replace you. I don't really want to do that. I can't jump anymore like I used to. I used to be able to jump off of these things. There we go.